welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious fried mac and cheese balls. These are so good as an appetizer. Let me show you what you're going to need so we can get started. Here I have some leftover mac and cheese. You're going to need eggs beaten with a little bit of milk, some breadcrumbs. I'm using panko and regular breadcrumbs. I really like the combination, the texture that it gives. But you can use either or, whatever you decide. You're gonna need some plain flour, salt. I have some garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and a little bit of black pepper. Like I said, very simple. You most likely already have everything on hand. You are going to need two more things. You're gonna need a plate to put your little mac and cheese balls after you're done, and then you're also going to need another plate lined with some paper towels so you can drain your balls after you fry them. And of course you also want a pot with some oil to fry your mac and cheese balls. So before we get started, I wanted to say a few things. You do want to use leftover mac and cheese if you can. You want your mac and cheese to be cold. It cannot be like room temperature or anything like that, otherwise it won't hold together. So I recommend using leftover mac and cheese for this recipe. You can also use boxed mac and cheese if that's your preference, and then put it in the fridge. Make sure it gets really nice and cold if you can, leave it there for a few hours or overnight, and then go ahead and assemble your bowls. You can also add all sorts of things to your mac and cheese. You can add bacon to your mac and cheese. You can add a little bit of green onions in there. It's gonna be so yummy. I've made it with bacon before and it is too good. But I didn't feel like frying bacon right now, so I am making it without, and it's going to be equally as delicious. Okay, here I have a little bit of flour, which I added the seasonings to. Now I'm just going to mix it, and then I'm also adding a little bit of salt. Okay, give it a really nice mix. Okay, and now this is ready. And I'm just going to mix together both type of crumbs. So you can see I have everything ready here. I have my mac and cheese, and then I have my flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, and then the plate where I'm gonna put them at. I like to make mine with a cookie scoop because it makes them perfectly round, and it's just a lot easier. But obviously with a spoon, and just form it with your hands. So what I like to do, let's get some mac and cheese. You can make these as big or as small as you like. I like them about this size. They cook faster and it's just easier. And then I'm gonna pass them to the flour. Okay, make sure they're nice and firm so they don't break apart. Okay, then the eggs. Okay, and lastly our breadcrumbs. And now we just want to cover this in breadcrumbs. Okay, and now you have your perfect little mac and cheese bowl. Okay, so I am going to go ahead, finish with my mixture, make a few. I'm waiting for my oil to finish preheating, and then once it's to the right temperature, you want it around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then I'm gonna fry these and I'm gonna show you how they come out. I'm cooking my mac and cheese balls. The oil is at 350, that's the deep fry temperature. You can cook about 4 or 5 at a time. You don't want to add too many, otherwise the temperature will go down and they won't fry properly. And I'm cooking this on medium high, not too high. You want the insides to cook before it gets nice and golden brown. Can you see that? That's perfectly golden brown. Okay, so this one's done. This only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Especially if you make them small like I did, it won't take any time at all. My little mac and cheese balls are done. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you see exactly how they look. Okay, as you can see, they look golden brown and delicious. And I like to eat mine with some good old ranch dressing. I know it sounds a little strange, but it's really good. You can also do like a pink sauce with some mayo and ketchup, and it's so good. And I'm trying to open one so you guys can see. I don't think the camera's picking, but you see how delicious that is? The mac and cheese gets really nice and melty, and it's just so good. Okay, now let's give this a try. That's a perfect combination. This is the best way possible that you can use the leftover mac and cheese. I'm telling you, I have to start giving this away to my family because otherwise I'll eat all of them in one sitting. I just love food too much, and this is so good. I don't know if you guys saw, but the cheese is nice and melty with the ranch. It's just like a match made in food heaven. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.